Today's vehicles are expected to give great performance while delivering advanced fuel economy. This requires the automatic transmission to be more complex and lighter at the same time. These requirements put a heavy burden on automatic transmission fluid, which can lead to fluid breakdown, deposit formation, and eventually to transmission failure. The Wellworth WW12K Transmission Flush Kit safely and efficiently cleans deposits from the transmission and helps the new fluid perform better and last longer. A cleaner is added to the old fluid. The appropriate flush equipment is connected and a complete fluid exchange is performed. Fluid conditioner is added in with the new fluid, leaving the transmission well protected. The transmission is now ready to provide thousands of miles of smooth and trouble-free operation.